What's up, Amazon KDP sellers? Ike Pause here. I got something very special and unique, something that I don't do usually. Because usually in my other videos, if you've watched them, I usually go after the bigger markets and I show you why you want to jump towards those bigger markets, even if there's competition, because competition is a good thing. It means people are buying and selling. That's what you want. You want to buy and sell. You want to sell your product, right? In this case, a print-on-demand book. Now, before I get into this special niche reveal, I want to take you on over to this site right here. Let me scale down here. 1 second. Right here, okay? Now, for those who are uninitiated, who don't know what I'm talking about, this is Amazon KDP. Because I've been asking questions via email and whatnot, and I see that there's a lot of people, there's some disconnect. People don't understand this business model. Let me explain it briefly. Very simple. You go to Amazon KDP, you open one account and only one account. Any more than one, you get terminated. Only one account. You upload a digital PDF, okay? You're not doing anything physical. Even though the end result's physical, you have nothing to do with that. Check this out. You upload a digital PDF. You list that book, takes you no more than 3 or 5 minutes. Very simple stuff, okay? Once you do that, your book will appear on Amazon. This is the world's greatest and biggest buyer search engine traffic platform. When people come to Amazon, people come here to buy. Okay, they might do some research in the beginning, but the intention is to buy at the end of the day, right? Okay. By the way, here's the niche I'll be going after, and I'll talk more about this in a little bit. I'm going to show you how to create a asset, a book, a product for this market right here, greater than, less than math workbooks. I'll show you that a little bit. Anyways, when your customer or potential customer clicks on your listing here, okay, they buy now. When they buy now, Amazon, not you, Amazon, they print it out, they ship it out, and you collect a royalty. You get paid, right? So Amazon takes care of the physical aspect of it. Amazon sends out the book. You get paid on whatever you sell of your book, of your digital. What you uploaded digital, what Amazon sends out is physical. That's print on demand. Do you understand? Just want to make sure you understand that. Let me know in the comment section, because I've noticed, like I said earlier, some people don't understand really what this business model is about. Okay? Now that we know that, I want to show you my free tool. This is the KDP Keyword Finder. This other platforms will charge you a subscription for this. We give it to you for free right now. You can go down below. If you're watching on YouTube, go down below, hit the link. You get free access to this. No strings attached. Anyways, let's continue. So you can see here greater than, less than workbooks, and this coincides with what we found here. Let me go back here. Let me take a step back here with this keyword, and you'll see all of these autocomplete keywords here. Okay, so workbook, and we have math. So we have all these different keywords here that have to do with math, greater than, less than workbook. Sorry, I can't speak. Okay, and that's how I got these results, right? We can see that this coincides with this. Now check this out, really cool. The result count is only 83. So usually I'm going after keyword markets with over 1,000 results. This only has 83. Now before, you might have argued, I'm not going to spend a week and a half creating a book for such low traffic, for such low traffic volume. I understand that. But with this tool, Sansuu Royalty, you don't have to spend a week and a half. You just got to spend 3 to 5 minutes. Not even that. Let me show you. Okay, so here I am on the Bose Pause. You can get a free account right now for this. Okay, this is what I'm going to show you is a paid tool, but everything else up here, this is all free. And you can get in here, check out the training. Training is also free. Anyways, you want to scroll down here to Sansuu. Okay, you click on this. It's going to open this up, right? Very simple. You're going to be on pages here. Okay. Now, if you want to work page by page, you definitely could do that. We have that flexibility for you. If not, you can go with bulk. Okay, now you can create your whole book all at once. Key point here, right? I'm going to put this in the search section, and I'm going to click on compare numbers. I want this preset, right? And remember, all 60 plus of these presets, these are all different niches. I encourage you to take these different keywords and jot them in your Amazon.com search bar, or put them into our keyword finder. And you might have different variations for those, right? Like I believe in the UK, these are called number comparisons. In the United States, we would like to say greater than, less than. Whatever the keyword is, play with that and find those different markets, okay? Because all of these presets are based on what people are already doing online, what people are already buying online, okay? Really important. Okay, now we understand that. We just select compare numbers. This is right here. Let me scale this even further down. Now I want to add the number of worksheets for my workbook. I'm going to go to the add the queue. Okay. Now I'm going to put in 60. I'm going to put in 60. Why 60? Let me explain why. If I go here, I go to the top result. You see, first off, the workbook is very average, right? Very average, right? Not only that, you know, this is basically what I'm offering right here, right? Okay, greater than, less than workbook, right? But if I scroll down, first off, you see their BSR. People are this person is selling this book, obviously, because they have a bestsellers rank. But the page length, sorry, is 126. So I'm going to create a book of 120, right? You got to think of, not only is it 60 pages of worksheets, 60 different worksheets, but you also have to account for the solutions, the back part of the book, which are the solutions. Really important to remember. Once we understand that, we're going to click add the queue. Now we have our book of 120. Add the queue. We're going to scroll here to the bottom, and we're going to click generate all 60 pages, which also includes 60 pages for the solutions. Okay, so now we have our greater than, less than, page 57, name and date. Okay, very good. We also want to add, really important here, we want to add, let me blow that up here. Let me get rid of this. Instructions. Okay, now if you want to add more instructions, just add the text button and add your own instructions. And we want to add a copyright. Just click that button again. We want to put in the name of the title. Remember, the title of your book has to be the same as the title of your book cover. What's on your Amazon KDP listing and what's on your book cover and what's on the copyright must all be the same. Remember that, please. So we're going to call this greater than, less than workbook. I'm going to call this Ikes. You want this because this protects your book from people who might want to steal it and sell it as their own. Okay, this is your copyright page. Really important to remember. Okay, so there we go. Once you're done doing that, you are done. You have your book. Now there's a book cover you need to create. I have a video for that as well. I have a video. If you're watching this on YouTube, I have that video up here somewhere or down below. And if you're watching this in the training section within Bose Pause, then you know where to find that book cover video, okay? Because it's somewhere around here, okay? Anyways, click export, click single PDF, and it's going to create my book. This includes my copyright page. It includes my instructional. It includes all 60 pages of the different activities plus 60 pages more for the solutions, okay? And let's create that. And there we go. We have our copyright, we have our problems, and we have our solutions page. Very simple, very easy. Now take this, upload it to here, add your book cover as well, list it out, And yeah, tell me what happens. Tell me if you sell, okay? If you start selling. Be good, take care. Oh, by the way, if you've made it up to this point, and this is the only way, I know that you're actually watching, I really do want to know. Let me know what you ate for dinner. Okay, let me know. Okay, so last night, because right now it's the afternoon in Japan. Last night I had like a what's called a nabe. Nabe is basically a soup style dish in Japan. Now this soup style nabe consisted of ginger and pork broth with all types of vegetables, some rice, and some, I believe, pieces of chicken. It was good. What did you have for dinner? Let me know. And if you didn't have dinner, let me know as well down below. Be good. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Sorry for the long video. Again, this is a micro niche. And yeah, anyone now can easily compete in big markets, little markets like this one as well. Okay? Be good. Take care. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like any of my videos, if you're watching this on Facebook, hit the big thumbs up button. And if you're watching in the training, then please use this tool. And I hope you create those products and publish those products. And please let me know how that goes for you. Okay? I wanna get as many people as I can to earn on these different print-on-demand platforms. Okay, I'll stop talking. Be good, take care, and have a wonderful day.